Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and a video update for my Marketclub Trading Diary. A couple things to update everyone on today. First is the three open trades that we have running, the Euro-Yen trade, Euro-Dollar trade, and USO trade, are all profitable so far, so good news there. The Euro-Yen and Euro-Dollar trade up fairly substantially, and the USO with a small profit that we hope to grow. Second thing is two new trades to update everyone on, both short trades. The first is short in the SPY, which is the ETF that tracks the price action in the S&P 500, and the second is short the GLD, which is the ETF which tracks the price of gold. Okay, I'm going to go over those trades with you in the slides to follow. If you're not familiar with the Marketclub software or my Marketclub Trading Diary, I've included some links below this video on Informed Trades where you can learn more, as well as where you can sign up for some free trading signals from Marketclub so you can analyze their product and decide if it might be right for you. Okay, so let's take a look at the two trades.
Okay, so I think as a format for going forward, when I have multiple trades, I'm going to show all the screens from the Marketclub software for the first trade, and then give the trade details for that trade. And then for the rest of the trades, to save a bit of time here, I'm just going to show the trade details. So two trades today. First is a trade short in the GLD. Which is actually a trade from yesterday. I'm just getting out the video now. My apologies for the delay. But you can see here on the weekly chart, there's a red trade triangle which was issued on the 12th at 81.59. And you can see here on the daily chart, there was a red trade triangle issued on the 5th at 84.28. So those are lining up there. Since this tracks a futures contract, the price of a futures contract, I use the weekly and the daily for the weekly for the trend and the daily for the trade entry. However, this time it was the weekly that triggered the trade because the daily chart had already lined up, but the weekly had not. Okay, so the Smart Scan score for this one, as you can see here, both the fourth and the fifth arrows are down for a strong downtrend here, so that meets the criteria there. And then you can see on the chart here the levels where I've chosen to place my stop, which is a close above 87.10. I feel like if it closes above that level, then it's still in this little uptrend here, and my the trade triangles analysis that it's going to shift into a downtrend will be faulty at that point. And then the target is the lows here at 66. Okay, so here's the trade details for this trade. The instrument's the GLD, which is the ETF which tracks the price of gold. The entry is short at 80.01, target 66, stop a close above 87.10. My current paper account equity is $28,456.89. Percent risk here is 1.5%. which brings the USD risk, or the US dollar risk, to 426.85 for a position size of 60 shares. Okay. The next trade is an SPY trade, and both these trades I posted the entries as soon as I made them on the blog over at Informed Trades, which you can see there, the timestamps and everything for that. The instrument here is SPY, and this was a trade from yesterday as well. Entry is short at 84.65, target 74.40, stop close above 87.22. Paper account equity again at 28,456.89. 1.5% risk again here as well for $426.85 in risk, which gives me a position size of 177 shares. Okay. As always, if there's any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and good luck with your trading.